Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this 18 storage Hot Wheels car organizer, which I got as a gift. So yeah, here it is. I really do like this. Look at this. Here it is. On the back, we have a cool little Hot Wheels car here, and also little designs on the back, little treasure hunt logo, some red line wheels, and Hot Wheels logo. You could also carry it around like this. It has a bunch of Hot Wheels cars on the front. Here, pretty cool. We got this really big Hot Wheels car here. Okay, I think this car. Okay, this car is the Twin Mail Gen 2. I think this one's a Roger Dodger, and I don't know the rest. So let's pop it open. Alright, guys. Here is the inside. If you want to know why I'm keeping these cars in here, is see, these cars are a little bit like damaged, right? And look, see, this is a McLaren. And like, you know, on my shelf, I keep all my exotic cars. So these cars are more like broken. So like, they don't need like too much protection to be inside the shelves. So I just keep them in this little tiny storage container for all the beat up kind of exotic cars. Where we got this Lambo in here. One McLaren too. James Bond, Lotus, another Lotus we have. So I have a Ford GT, orange Ford GT, Alfa Romeo, and this little tuned Lotus. So mostly I just keep all my beat up exotic cars in here. And the lock system on this thing is not too like complex. You just kind of like close it. And then what you do next is that you just flip the switch and it closes. It's very small too for it. It can hold 18 cars. It's pretty nice. Like, it's pretty light too. When you're like holding like 18 cars, but it's pretty nice. You can like shove it in your bag or like put it anywhere. But the problem is about this is that it makes a lot of noise. Even if you wiggle it a little bit, you pick it up, it makes noise. It makes a lot of noise because it's very rattly. So yeah, guys, just want to show you my new case I got. Nothing much to say about it. Is there anything at the bottom? No, there isn't. I have nothing else to say about this case. Just wanted to show you my new case that I got. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. So yeah, guys, hope you have a good day, and yeah, bye. Bye.